Hi, this is Jeannie from Trendy Tree, and today I'm going to take my old dried hydrangeas. I use these in the fall. The ones on the right have not been painted, and the ones on the left I had painted with copper paint. Now, it was very bright, sunny that day that I took that video, and they really showed up darker than that. But I used them in my fall arrangements on my mantel. Well, I was taking my fall arrangements down, and I decided that I might try recreating that and just use those same hydrangeas again and spray paint them. So I got some bright red metallic spray paint, and I just thought I would spray them and see how they, would do. They really held up well for dried flowers. They were not falling and coming all to pieces or anything. So I just sprayed them with 2 coats. Of course, they took up the colors differently because some were lighter than the others, but they were easy to do. I just sprayed them and let them dry, and I really was pleased with the results. They turned out sort of a deep red, more of a burgundy color, and probably they would have been shinier if I had used a clear coat, after I finished painting. But they're a little different shades because, they were light or dark, and they just took up the color differently. But they really held up well to be dried flowers. I figured they'd fall apart and fall out everywhere, but they didn't. And I've used them on my Christmas tree. So just let them dry good, and then I just stuck them, in my Christmas tree. Well, there's my tree after we finished it. Now, we downsized in our tree this year. I usually have a 10-foot tree, and it's wound up at the retail store in Pontotoc. So this year, I got a potted tree. It's flocked. It's a flocked pine, and it's 7 feet. But still, we were able to decorate this without bringing in a ladder, so that was nice. So I just chose some poinsettias and some greenery and some white picks and sprays. All these are on the website, and I'll give you the links for those. And you can see my painted hydrangeas that I worked in there, and I really like the poppy flowers on that. This is a little different look for me this year, but it was easy to decorate, so it'll be easy to take down. That's one thing I like about the tree. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Bye-bye.